Yo, welcome to this video. We are on the last day of July. It is July 31st, and I am at over freaking $90,000 here, okay? Let me refresh real quick for you. Boom. And so, guys, this is really powerful. Let's dive right in. Let's go. Yo, guys, what's up? Let's go. So, it is the 31st, and I have officially reached $90,000, over $90,000 on MaxBounty. Do you realize how much money that is? That is so much money, guys. And next month should be more, equal to, or a little bit less, who knows? But all I can say is literally it's so powerful, okay? So that's in 31 days. I'm gonna tell you how I did it. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how I did it. So I have been running Facebook ads for several months now for 3 different campaigns in the wealth niche, but I promote a bunch of MaxBounty offers in the back end, and it's really, really powerful. I have PLR products I put inside the funnels on the front end, and I get conversions on those funnels. I got upsells going, everything like that. I push people in email sequences to more affiliate offers, and I push them to my tripwire funnels because I have 3 different funnels, okay? And they're basically the same funnel, okay? Just different offers inside the funnels, and especially on the front end, there are different offers. Basically, they're ebooks plus a course on the front end for super cheap. Then I've got the upsells, okay? Now I have a done for you service where I do this for people, and I literally build them a profitable funnel for super cheap based off the ROI they're gonna get from it, the return on investment. So it's super powerful. So just wanted to make this video about that. And then, so I spend about 100 a day per campaign on Facebook. So, I mean, I don't want to scale any bigger than that because Facebook's strict. I mean, they could shut you down and all that. You don't want to get shut down, okay? So that's really important, and I'm really careful with Facebook, okay? So I've just been building up pixel data. I've made changes here and there, and I've just kept it consistent, okay? Now I have huge email lists, okay? Over hundreds of thousands of people's emails. I can email blast anytime I want, and then I also have the email sequences in place, sending emails daily to my lists, okay? And then I have a second YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers, and I get over 5 million views every month on this channel, okay? And literally, that's where most of the money is from. It's from that YouTube channel, and I'm so grateful for it. It's in the entertainment niche. I do trend videos, I do celebrity videos, I do just big major trends, okay? Like TikTok currently is a huge trend. Black Lives Matter and rioting is a big trend. So I focus on those big trends, but not the daily big trends, but the big trends that last couple months, okay? And so that's what I focus on there. That's super key. And then evergreen content, okay? And then I also repost a ton of Creative Commons videos, okay? And there's been days I've uploaded over 100 videos. I have no employees, no nothing, okay? Refreshed, boom. Okay, so everything's the same. And straight up, so guys, literally, so powerful. Now let me tell you, like, I was not always like this, okay? I failed many businesses, many websites, many funnels I've ever built. When growing up, I failed many times. Now I'm young, and I was able to have success early on with my ventures because I failed so much early on, okay? And that's key, you gotta think about that, okay? So the earlier you start, the better, okay? The best time to plant a tree was yesterday. So definitely get started as soon as possible, my friend.